Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to find a good clan in Clash Royale. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are going to see how to find a good clan, what makes a good clan, and how to join one. So what you need to do is you need to click on this on this icon here on the right section at the bottom. So click on the clan, and as you can see there are a number of boards that are appearing here. These are all clans that you can join. So we are just going to click one of them here. So click on it, and so there are a number of conditions that you want to check if you want to join a good clan. So I'm just going to put it down here. So the number one condition that you should choose is that you should choose a local location. So for example, as I am from India, so I would choose the Indian clan so that we all wake up at the right time, so there is no confusion in that. So that's the first thing. And then you want to check that how many members are inactive. So as you can see there are only 5 members here, so I will not take this clan. So I'm just going to select this one. Okay, so the location is India, and now we will check if how many members are inactive. So as you can see the red icon here, it shows inactive. So he has been inactive for 11 months, this 8 months, 10 months. Okay, so many members are inactive here, so we will not join this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, so this member has been inactive for 1 month. Okay, so there are not many. Okay, there are many people who are inactive here. Okay, so select that one which has less people inactive in it. I'm not able to find here right now, but if you are able to find active members, just join that one. Okay, and the third thing is that you should be able to check the donations at the later part of the week. So on Monday it will not show, the donation is reset. This is the donation, the blue icon here on the left side of the trophy. So they have not made any donations yet. Okay, so this group looks a little bit better. So they have made 42 donations, 38, 22. And the third thing to check is that how many number of co-leaders are there. So if you want to be a co-leader, you should choose the clan that has less co-leaders. So this has just one co-leader here, and others are elder. Okay, so we can join this clan. And the fourth thing to check is that is it family friendly or aggressive. So it's written here in the statement usually that it's family friendly. And the last thing to check is that how many required number of trophies do they have. So if you want to win wars, you should be able to join the clan that has a large number of required trophies, like 4,000. So I'm not able to find one here. They have all just 0 required trophies. All of them have 0. So when you find a one that has more than 3,000, 4,000, just join that one. They are usually pro players. So that's how you can find a good clan. So we are just going to join this one just for the sake of example. So just click on it. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.